painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I am here. Today is my lose 'em or use 'em day. What that means is every time I do a painting, I always keep a little bit of every single color in the bottom of the cup, and then I take that paint and I put a secure top on top of it, and usually, well, not so secure, usually I label it or sit it right next to the painting that is drying. And then when the painting is totally dry, I look at it, I look for any boogers or boo-boos or imperfections, and if I find one, I brush paint to help fix it or do whatever I need to do. And then after a period of time, I end up with like 15 or 20 of all these little cups of paint all over the place. So today I took all of those paints and I checked all of their consistencies and got them all to roughly the same consistency, which is a fluid consistency for a swipe or a flip cup, and then I stare at them. Some of these paints I had to add a little water to because they sat for a couple of days. Some of these paints I added a little Floetrol and water to. I just kind of stir them all up until they're roughly the same consistency. Now, I also had a lot of little cups of blue, a lot of little cups of gold, and coppers, and I married them together. So this is probably 3 different blues. This is a couple of different blues. This is some coppers and some golds. I just kind of play. I mix them up, so I go from having only this much paint to having that much paint. So I guess you would call these custom colors. So we're going to be using them up today. The one paint I do know is our base coat. It is Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. Same consistencies as the paints on that little Lazy Susan. Very thin, leaves almost no trace when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below. Let me slide these out of the way. We are working on my favorite canvas right here. It is the Edge canvas. It's a 16 by 16. I get them from Jerry's Artarama, and I love them, especially when I get them on sale. If the budget allows, buy them in packs of 3. They end up saving you quite a bit of money. So I'm gonna do some flip cupping. I'm gonna do some swiping. I think I'll do probably with the colors that I have over here, maybe a landscape pour, probably a flip cup sky, and then, I don't know, we're just playing. We're having fun, and I'm glad you're here doing it with me, guys. Put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't. complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the problems. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the problems. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the problems. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the problems. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you.